Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to add custom thumbnails for YouTube videos. First, go to your YouTube, then go to your YouTube studio by clicking the first letter of your name or your YouTube profile at the top right corner. Then tap on YouTube Studio. Find the content at the left side corner, then click it. Choose the video that you want and click the pencil icon. Scroll down and you will see the thumbnail. In here, you can upload thumbnail for your videos. But make sure that you are verified. After that, click the upload thumbnail. Then choose your thumbnail. Once you are done, click save. Then that's it. That's how you add custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.